Have you ever been frustrated by a symbol not being found when you're trying to link your static library on macOS? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with static libraries on macOS. I totally get it. You write your code, compile it, and then you hit a wall with an undefined symbol error. It's annoying, especially when it works perfectly on other platforms like Linux. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why is the symbol not found when I try to link my static library on macOS?" They provided some code snippets and mentioned that the same code works fine under Linux. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how symbols are handled during the linking process on different operating systems. macOS has its own quirks, especially with static libraries, and understanding these can help us find a solution. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the issue of the missing symbol, the user should first ensure that the variable foo is properly defined in the static library. In C, when using an external variable, it must be declared correctly. Next, the user should check the linking process. When compiling the test program, it's crucial to link against the static library correctly. The user should ensure that the library path is specified. If the user still encounters the undefined symbol error, they should verify that the library was created successfully. The user can use the nm command to inspect the contents of the library. Lastly, if the issue persists, the user should consider the architecture compatibility. The user should ensure that all files are compiled for the same architecture, such as x86-64. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of macOS was released in 1984? It has come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the AR command with the nice rs option to create your archive. This includes common symbols as definitions, which can help resolve the symbol not found issue. Additionally, you can use libtool with the nice c and matish static flags to achieve the same result. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your symbol visibility and linking flags when working with static libraries on macOS. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the undefined symbol issue on macOS. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, keep coding.